All right, so today we're gonna work on our scissor skills, and we're gonna make this little paper tube octopus. If you do not have kid scissors at home, and even if you do, make sure you're doing this with an adult present, just so that you have someone watching to make sure that we're not hurting ourselves, all right? And if you don't have a kid scissors, which I don't, like a safety scissors, and we have these big kitchen shears, then have your parent help you cut it out, okay? So that we don't get hurt. What we're gonna basically do is draw a rectangle, and then we're gonna come in a little bit on this line. So like, here's my rectangle, and then have some space for the legs, all right? The first leg is actually gonna be about a finger in, and then you're gonna draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, put it in the middle, 7, 8. So you've got 8 legs. And on those 8 legs, I'm gonna trace the lines, moving each line just over a little bit so that they're a little more even, since I didn't do them completely even. All right, you're gonna do some circles for the little tentacles on the bottom of the octopus legs. Okay, I'm gonna do 4 on each one. Okay, so I'm not drawing the line here in marker because we'll end up erasing that. In the middle, you're gonna draw your octopus face, and you can draw it however you want. I'm gonna do little eyes, and then you can take crayons, markers, colored pencils, whatever you have. You can decorate it, maybe do some pink cheeks, maybe take a darker green or any other color you have and color in those little tentacles so they're a different color. Maybe make a pattern. You get to design your octopus and color it however you want. And if you only have white paper, then I would go ahead and color the whole thing in and decorate it however you want. All right, let's pretend I colored in the rest of these. Then, now this part is with parent supervision, right? We're having our parents there just in case. And if you only have a big scissors, have them help you. We're gonna first cut out the basic shape. If you want, you can go all the way to the top. We'll just do that, and I'll ignore this. I'll erase that line. Okay, then you're gonna take your scissors, and remember, a normal scissors, it has a small hole and a big hole. The thumb goes in the small hole, and your bunny ears goes in the bigger hole on the bottom. And we go really slow and cut up those lines as straight as we can, but then you stop when you hit that line. Stop. Stop. All right, before I turn it 3D, I'm gonna take my eraser and erase this line that I was just using as a guide. And since I decided to make my octopus taller, I'm gonna erase that line too. Okay, now we're gonna turn it into our 3D octopus by connecting this little tab over here. You can do it with glue. You can do it with tape. I don't have any Scotch tape, which is like clear tape. So I'm just gonna do masking tape, and then I can always color on the masking tape and turn it into like a cool pattern. You could do staples, you could do glue, whatever you've got, all right? And then you kind of bend your legs up, and boom, you've got your little tube octopuses. I can't wait to see them when you're done. Take a picture and post it. I'm gonna post a Nearpod on Google Classroom. And if you open Nearpod with your school information, you can post a picture on the Collaborate board.